I'm going to share some plants that are aesthetically fabulous and also edible. Pineapple guava is one of my favorites that does great in climates like ours. Pineapple guava is really very delicious. Lots of herbs, obviously, mint and thyme and oregano. Most herbs are ground cover, low growing plants. And if you mix them, it's really a neat look. A real nice landscape plant is a blueberry shrub. They have nice colors to the leaves in different seasons. Not that easy to grow. You kind of have to be in the mood to baby them and figure out how to make your soil very acid in order to successfully grow blueberries, but that's possible to do. Let's see, there must be other good, probably one of the most famous edible plants that restaurants use all over the world is nasturtiums. Nasturtiums only grow in certain zones, but that's a beautiful flower that we can grow here in Fresno a little bit in the shade. Great edible plant. In this garden, there's some kumquat right around the corner, and kumquats can be used to eat. They're pretty good. You can only eat about 10 though, I think, and you might get a little tired of them, but you could make marmalade. Kumquats are related to citrus. All the citrus make neat garden plants: lemons, limes, grapefruit, tangelos, limequats, Buddha's hand, and every unusual citrus there is. So there's lots of ways you can use citrus, and they come in different sizes. You can get full-size ones, you can get semi-dwarf ones, and you can get dwarf ones. Citrus do great in pots, and they'll stay in a pot for a long time. You can use them as a background screen, which we have done in this yard. You can use them as a tree. Many of the fruit trees make a nice espalier. I espaliered at my house apple trees, and I didn't do anything special except prune them flat, so they grow flat. We have a video about espaliering plants. We tell you how to do it in the simplest way. I'm John Valentino with Chip Valentino. Chip is my vice president in charge of gorgeous dwarf citrus trees. He and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe, tell all your friends and neighbors and relatives, and make comments below.